everybody, it's Ingrid from Twinkl, and I'm going to share some ways Twinkl can help you set up your classroom and give you some top tips for using our display resources. Firstly, no matter what theme you're going for, there are so many different options available. So just look up what you want in the search bar, click on the one you like, and then download it. If you don't have a paid membership, you can still sign up for a free one so you can take Twinkl for a spin before committing. There are some great sample resources available to get you started. Many of these resources have editable versions, so you can tweak them in any word processing software to suit your needs. You might also want to try our Twinkl Create tool. You can print out display letters, banners, labels, bunting, whatever you want. To get here, just click on the Create option on the Twinkl website, start creating now, start creating again, display materials, and then scroll down to what you're after. You might want to check out the new Australian Back to School section. You can select this or any other option on the filter on the side. Just click on the resource you want and adapt it to your preferences before printing. This process helps you access exactly what you want and saves you time editing the resources yourself. For example, you can avoid printing out an entire alphabet of display letters if you're only planning to use a handful. You also have the opportunity to personalize your resources and make them exactly how you want them. When you're done, you just need to save and then hit download before printing. The easiest way to resize your resources if you want to make them smaller is to go to where you can adjust your printing settings and then change the number of pages per sheet. For example, 2 pages per sheet will fit what would normally go on 2 pages onto 1, halving their size. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.